Hey people. So it's been 1.5 years in Thunderbay, and it's always been with work and college. We have not gone anywhere outside Thunderbay. Now we're planning to go for a vacation for 4 days. So this is Lionel.
Hey,
So three of our friends are already in Winnipeg, so we're gonna meet them today.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it.
Winnipeg is in Manitoba. It's gonna be like 8 hours drive from here. So we're gonna take short breaks in between and try to reach safely. It's early morning, and so we're gonna grab some coffee, a cup of coffee before we start. But you can see the line over here. This is how Tim Hortons is in the early mornings. So whenever you are waiting for your order for Tim Hortons or any other fast food giants, so if it's really rush, it's gonna take some time. So be just patient, because I worked in Tim Hortons. That was my first job here in Canada, and it's pretty difficult to do the stuff, because not only this drive through, but also there's in-store customers and also skip and Uber orders. So just be patient and respect each other.
thank you.
So it's been more than an hour now, but the problem here is like here the roads are very straight. You're going in a highway, it's gonna be this way. It's just gonna be this way for a long time. So they have done a wonderful job. There's a trick over here, so you can see some sort of a pattern besides that white line, also the yellow line. So whenever you go, even if you fall asleep or something like that, if you go away towards that white line, there's a pattern, and you can hear a disturbing noise on your tires, so which indicates that you're going across the line. So that's something they have done for the safety. So you can see the time, it's 8:54 a.m. but we started at 8:30, and it's been 1.5 hours, and there's a time zone change when we reach over here. Right now it just changed. Now it's 5 minutes back, so we are back with 1 hour delay. So this is the stop number 1. It's after 2.5 hours and 200 kilometers. So I guess after this we're gonna go towards Dryden, and we're gonna stop there. We're gonna fill the air. There's an issue with our tires. Shows like there's a less air in the right, I guess, yeah, the right tire. So we're gonna fill it up, make sure that it's safe to go. So we just reached Dryden, halfway towards Winnipeg, and we just thought it's better to fill up the gas. In Midway we don't have any petrol pumps, so it's risky if you don't fill up the gas. Burger next to the thing, see the thing So we are in Dryden right now, and we have taken a break. We're gonna have a meal, and we have come to the Dairy Queen. So we just ordered our burgers, so waiting for that. So there is no other greater joy than RCB winning against Chennai. So it's the match is done, and RCB won the match today. So it's time for us to move on and reach Winnipeg as soon as possible. We have entered Manitoba, another province from Ontario. So we still have 161 kilometers to reach our destination, our motel where we have booked. So yeah, still 1 hour 40 minutes of drive ahead. So we have finally reached at 4. How much is it? It's 4:45 p.m. Very tiring journey, but we finally reached, and we had booked a condo through Airbnb last night. So we're just gonna keep our stuffs and meet our friends. We do have a sofa. You do have a TV over here with the Netflix subscription. This is going to be one of the beds. You have a small dining table. A closet to keep our clothes. So there is a washing machine and a dryer to clean our wash our clothes and dry it. You have a fridge. It's empty right now, but we have to fill it up. Nice. It's a good bed. I guess it's a queen size. Closet. So our first stop of our trip is Clay Oven, a South Indian restaurant. So we do miss our home food, and especially South Indian dishes like idli, dosa. So this is the first stop. We're gonna check out the restaurant and have a nice meal. So it's not a South Indian restaurant. We made a mistake. We thought it was a South Indian restaurant, but it's East Indian restaurant. So anyhow, we wanna go and try something new.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Thanks, buddy.
Thank you.
More popular, but it's your then chicken tikka, sorry.
One chicken tikka.
Bro, we'll just take 5 minutes to order that.
Sure, no
Yeah?
problem.
Yeah.
Can I take the main meal?
Yeah, you can. Thank you.
Three hot spices, 1% sambar with 4 regular fresh naans and
4 butter.
4 butter.
Don't forget.
So that was Clay Oven East Indian restaurant. The food was delicious. We had a karai goat and naan, butter naan. And other than that, we did have a beverage, but I personally didn't like it. So the ambience was good. There was live Indian, not live, but Indian music played, the Hindi songs, and the ambience was really good because of that. And I can see people of different culture, different ethnicity coming there and having the food. So let's ask Lionel, how was the food and the experience?
Yeah, the food was amazing. It was delicious. We had goat or mutton after one long year, so it was wonderful over here.
Yeah, we don't get that in Thunderbay. Like we do get the lamb, but not the mutton. So this was a good experience. So me and Lionel have come here to meet our friends Sahil, Vaidi and Simon, who are staying in this hotel. So we just gonna pick them up and we're gonna go somewhere together to enjoy the evening. They're gonna be moving to Thunderbay tomorrow morning. Oh,
Hello. Hi.
Sahil, do you want to Here we have Simon.
Hi.
Simon.